Hola, sóc el Marc Márquez i us convido a visitar amb moto el Pirineu i les Terres de Lleida. Hey!
Feel the power of the sound. Life's a great vibration full of color, filled with motion and the moving like a wave. My body fluid like the ocean. I don't waste my time with troubles. Too late. I win. Countdown, blast off, strapped up, strapped in. Now it's pounding like my heart, just like the rhythm in the street. My body grooving from my head to my feet. Just feel the beat. Feed the field and meter, uptown tempo, tapping, blowing out the speaker. I got the move, sway, jump, jive, singing out my song, living life to the fullest with my dance shoes on. Take a look around you, everything it has a beat, from the people all around to the walls of concrete. There's a rhythm, there's a flow, there's a stop, there's a go. If you never paid attention, then maybe you didn't know. Everything is moving to a relative time, you can always count it out. There's a reason and a rhyme. You were made to feel alive, like the music so sweet. So get up off your seat, just feel the beat. Yeah, just a little louder now. Yeah, just a little louder now. Come on, just a little louder now. Yeah, yeah, come on and feel the beat.
Lleida té molt per descobrir. Vine a gaudir del Pirineu i les terres de Lleida.